Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Dito nga pala tayo sa bagong edisyon ng ng talent, Filipino Got Talent. Kami nga palang grupong trio. Sana magustuhan niyo tong kantan to. Ang title nito ay
Nothing to say.
Nothing to say.
Game 1. Pinapanalo ko yung gitarista ko si Dax at yung isa kong gitarista si Maha. Okay, game 1, 2, 3, go. Nothing to say. The day she left, the day she left. Oh, nothing to say, nothing to say. The day she left, the day she left. Oh, nothing to say. Say, there's nothing to left. The day she left, say nothing. Nothing the day left, say you. Nothing to say, the left and right. Yeah, there's not.